Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to crack the stock market illusion. Look, we all think that stock market is the billionaire, millionaire like that, and we all think that if we can invest in the stock market and we can do trading we all make lots of money. But this is not true. If this is true, that if this is true, then all rich people can do this easily, and they then there is no need to do any other effort, and there is no need to do any work for this, and there is no need to building a big company all about this. If you think that stock market is like a quick money maker, it is not true. It's like a casino. If you try to make a lots of money, then you have to make yourself money and spend your money which is not useful for you. And if you have enough money, extra money, then invest, but in the long term, not the short term. If you passionate about trading, that means you are able to lose and profit both. And if you try to take yourself, to take a test yourself, then you can invest your minimum amount and you can test yourself. And if you lose, it is your loss, and you can't blame for it. You can't blame to this to anyone. If you try to blame to another, that means you are not passionate about it. Passion means that you are ready for taking your all mistakes, taking your failure, success, all about this is called passionate. And if you have a money, that means you can spend your money in which you are passionate about it, and you can't hope to back return about this money. You have to passionate about that. If I lost money, I don't get over stress about this. I can't get over I can't get over stress about it. This is the reality. And if you accept this reality, that means stock market is not a quick money maker. It is just investment. If you see it as the investing perspective, if you see it as like a long term investing, that's okay, no problem. If you see it quick money maker, it's make a mistake for you. It's became a big mistake for you in the long term, and you can't be productive. And first of all, we all need to be productive. Then at a past time, you can join investing, not the trading option future. It's not good for anyone. And I know that lots of people do it. It's okay, no problem. This is their problem. This is not our problem. If you think this is my problem, I have to correct it, you can correct it. And if lots of companies make a millions of money, that means they built something productive, they built something grounded. And stock market is not grounded, it's a marketing. And if you want to beat the market, you can't beat the market, because AI can't beat the market. How you can do? There is no foolproof way to doing this trading and extra etc all about this. So first, clear in your mind that no, you can't do, you have not to do this, and you have another option. Choose the career, whether it's business, whether it's job, it's your choice. Okay. And I hope you got it what I'm trying to say. And I'm daily make a video for the 5 minutes to doing my exercise practice all about this. Thank you so much.